Hello, my name is Phoebe DeStefano, and my topic for this presentation is granite and basalt. The key questions I will be answering are: what is granite and basalt made of? What are each of their characteristics? How and where do they form? And what are they used for? My subtopics include igneous rocks, where I'll be explaining what they are and how to identify them; properties, where I'll be explaining the origin, color, texture, and geological environments of both granite and basalt; formation. In this slide, I will describe how each of the rocks are formed and give their compositions; purpose. I will talk about their uses, give examples of items they are used in or for, and their features. Finally, the national park slide will include parks where these rocks can be found. Igneous rocks, specifically granite and basalt, can be identified and differentiated through their properties, formations, locations, and purposes. Igneous rocks. Igneous rocks form from the cooling of magma, which then crystallizes. They are classified into two types of rocks: intrusive, or platonic, and extrusive, or volcanic. As stated in the National Park Service website, quote, "Intrusive igneous rocks solidify within Earth, and extrusive igneous rocks are erupted onto the surface or into the atmosphere," end quote. Intrusive rocks are usually characterized by large crystal sizes that can be seen to the naked eye. As for extrusive rocks, their crystal sizes are much smaller, making it way harder to see. Both intrusive and extrusive rocks have different igneous rocks that can be classified by their texture, compositions, formations, and environments. Properties. Granite is an intrusive rock. It consists of light colors like pink, tan, and white. Its texture is phaneritic, meaning coarse-grained. And finally, its geological environment is usually found in continental crust. Basalt, on the other hand, is the complete opposite. For starters, it's an extrusive rock. Next, its colors tend to be dark, usually black and gray. Its texture is aphanitic, or fine-grained, and its geological environment is usually found in oceanic crust. Formation. First of all, granite is formed by cooling under the surface of the Earth. However, its cooling process tends to take a while since it hardens underground. Its chemical composition is felsic, and like shown in the image below, its mineral compositions are feldspar, quartz, mica, and hornblende. According to the National Park Service website, quote, "Most basalts were formed by the rapid cooling and hardening of the lava flows," end quote. The picture below indicates hot basalt lava flowing. Its chemical composition is mafic, and the minerals are calcium plagioclase, pyroxene, and olivine. Purpose. Granite is mainly used for construction material and as a decorative stone. You tend to see them in pavings, gravestones, facing stones, flooring, and appliances. Two examples are kitchen countertops and the Mount Rushmore Memorial. Basalt is common in construction materials, road base, flooring, and railroad ballast. Some of granite's best features is that it's durable, affordable, easy to maintain, and heat absorbent. Basalt's features are that they are resistant to damage and heat, they are very hard, and difficult to cut and shape. National parks. This slide includes some examples of parks that contain these rocks. In the Grand Canyon National Park in Arizona and the Yosemite National Park in California, you can find granite. In Craters of the Moon National Monument in Idaho and the Death Valley National Park in both California and Nevada, you're able to find basalt. Conclusion. Overall, igneous rocks each have their own characteristics that help identify them. It is very important to know a rock's origin, color, texture, location, and compositions in order to distinguish and categorize them correctly. Just like granite and basalt, both are complete opposites, yet they're classified the same as igneous rocks. Thank you.